Good morning. This is my lunch. I cook sauteed bitter melon with chicken, with bacon, with carrots, and what else? That's it. I sauteed it. I put some noodles. I love sauteed vegetables with noodles. So some don't eat bitter melon, but every Filipinos love bitter melon. It's ampalaya in Tagalog. It's healthy. It has a lot of iron and vitamins. So when you need iron, just eat ampalaya or bitter melon.